Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear or delete your search history in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and then select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that. Select the history button and then select history. On the left side, you want to select where it says clear browsing data. And then in time range, you can click on the drop down here. You could set anything between the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And then again, make sure browsing history, which includes the search box history as well, make sure all that is checkmarked and then select clear data. And that's pretty much it, guys. I would suggest restarting your browser just to feel a little more thorough there, but you can see that it has been cleared out of our Chrome history tab. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.